In this video, I will show you how to install and use CapCut for free. As you can see, I have downloaded different versions of CapCut, and with different version, we have different way to install and to trick it so we can use it for free. And but first we need to uninstall the CapCut we have in our computer. Now we can install the new one. And I will start with CapCut 1.5.1 version 245. Agree and install, and it will take like 20 seconds. When we finish, do not stop now. Do not click stop now. We have to do something else first. Now we need to go to the folder Add Data, and to do that, go to this PC, go to Windows Drive over here, and user can do a folder, the user's folder. And now we need to look for updated folder. And because Git is hidden, so we need to make it, we have to show it by going to folder options, or you can click on File Explorer options, View, and click Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Files. With this, we can show all the hidden files and folders. And also, we need to uncheck hide extensions for known file types. But I will explain about this later, so please just check it. Yeah, I will explain about this later. Apply and OK. And now we can see updated folder. Open it. Local. CapCut. User data. And here we will create a text file. We need to change this to update.exe. However, at the moment, we cannot see the file extension. So we need to go back again to folder options. View. And that's why we need to uncheck hide extensions for known file types. Apply and OK. And now we can see the file extension, and we can change the file extension now. Change to update.exe. And we can start CapCut now. When we run CapCut, the software will create some more folders for us. Here, as you can see, that there are some folders including download. And what we need to do is to load updates.exe into folder download. This file into the folder download. I click on the file, choose properties, read only, apply, and OK. This action is to make sure that the software cannot modify or cannot override this file, because we need this file, update.exe, is empty always. And again, and then over here, do not never update. Yeah, but they CapCut if you want to use it for free. Yeah, but I have created a new project. Some random files, some random videos, a picture, maybe a picture. Effects to the picture, and you can see that all the restrictions are little, and you can use them for free, all of them. Every Pro function are available now, and transition as well. All the transitions are available for free. And so now we will try with another version of CapCut. First I installed with 1.5.1.245, and now I will try with 1.4.0.188. But first, I need to uninstall. I need to uninstall. I need to close CapCut and uninstall it from my computer so I can try the new one. Remember that do not keep anything from the last installation. Now I install the new one. Agree and install and wait for like 20 seconds. With this version, we can start immediately. With this version, we don't have to do anything. Just start CapCut and try all the functions it has. And again, never update, never update. Check and try if we can use all the functions. And all the pro functions, all the pro effects and transitions are runnable now. At the moment, as I know, there are only two versions we can use, or we can trick to use them for free. And others, there's no way to trick the software to use them to use for free. We only can use 1.5.1.145, 2.5, and 1.4.0.188. With 1.4.0.188, you don't have to do anything. It's free because that is CapCut Con's intention from 1.4.0.whatever and before they are free to use. However, now if you go to the CapCut website up, you cannot see this version. It was deleted already. And for 1.5.1.245, it's not free, so we have to do something.